Who doesn't love pizza for breakfast? Today we are making a Lebanese pizza and we're gonna make it the classic two ways, Manakish Za'atar and also Manakish Jibneh in a vegan version with vegan cheese. And stay tuned because we're also gonna create our very own Lebanese pizza with all the goodness from Lebanon. And we're gonna get into it right now. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more really creative, vegan, colorful recipes. We're gonna get started with a dough. I'm making it with organic wheat flour, but you can also substitute for any other flour you like, of course. And we're gonna stir this all up. I prefer to start with a spoon until these clumps form. And then we're gonna go and dig in there with our hands and start giving the dough some love. This is a really important step, you guys. Don't skip that one. And we're gonna let the dough rest until we have finished all the other components of our dish. After around 40 minutes to an hour, our dough is ready. So we're gonna dust the surface. Form these round little balls. I'm gonna let this rest for another couple minutes. And now we're rolling it out with a rolling pin. If the dough is too sticky, just add a little bit of more flour onto your work surface. So we are starting with our first topic, the Za'atar, which is basically the spice of the Middle East. I got this one on the spice market in Jerusalem, but you can also find it in most shops in Europe as well. We're only mixing the Za'atar with a little bit of very good quality olive oil. This is very important. And you want to have this consistency. And the other one, the Manakish Jibneh, we are making with vegan Violife cheese. I'm gonna grate it and we're gonna top our beautiful pizzas. We wanna have the oven really hot already once we put them in, and just bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. And this is the result. Labneh is such an important ingredient to Lebanese food. It is basically strained yogurt and it's really fatty. So similar to like Greek yogurt, so it has a really creamy, cheesy consistency. For our vegan version, I'm using soy yogurt, and to make it really thick and creamy, I soaked these cashew nuts, and we're gonna blend this up in our NutriBullet. We're only adding a little bit of salt and lemon juice to it. Super delicious. And now we are making our own Lebanese breakfast pizza. For that we are using our vegan Labneh and also lots of texture and color. And I also made these pickled turnip. I made this ahead just that it gets this really nice pink color. You find the full recipe how to make those down below. is it, our Lebanese breakfast pizza. What else do you want? Let me know down below what you think of this recipe, and also if you have any specific recipe requests of international food you're super curious about. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next Tuesday.